Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to count distinct values in a pivot table. So if you add a pivot table to your data set, you don't really have a distinct count in your value field settings over here. You only see count, but you don't have a distinct count. So I want to know how many customers I have by the country, right? So let's get started with this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is, this is my data set that I have over here. I'm going to select my entire data set and go to Power Pivot and then click on Add to Data Model. So once you click on Add to Data Model, it will ask where is the data for your table. So my table has headers, etc. Check this box and then click on OK. And then the data will get added to the model over here. And then what you can do is you can click on pivot table here and select pivot table, new worksheet, click on OK. So you will see a new pivot table has now been created from that particular data model over there. And now let me bring in city, because country, I only have one country in the data set, that is United States. So let me bring in city and then let me bring in the customer ID. So now if you can see here, I've got the count here, but if we go to value field settings and then when you scroll down, you see distinct count over here. This is only possible when you add the data set to your data model and then create a pivot table after creating the after importing the data into the data model. So now you will see distinct count over here. You can click on OK. You will get your distinct values and or distinct number of customers by the city. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope this video has helped you. You've learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.